Well, we got this mower for $20. The problem is it doesn't start. So we either wasted $20 or we saved a bunch of money. But let me show you what it's doing. I already pressed the choke bulb. I feel like there's gas in there and it's moving the gas, but hard to tell. So that's all it's doing. So I don't know what's wrong with it, but let's see if we can fix it. See if we saved any money or we're out 20 bucks. Don't forget to take a second to like, comment, subscribe, check out the channel. Just hit the videos and you can kind of see the most recent uploads, or head over to the playlist and check some of those out. We do backyard chickens, we do everything. But let's see if we can get this mower running. So as you can see, we got problem number one fixed. Problem number one, this was broken. And this cable inside of here was sticking. So, without pulling that handle back, see right here? This kills your lawnmower. So when this piece of metal touches this piece of metal, it grounds out your lawnmower and causes it to die. So if this piece of metal never disengages with this piece of metal, you'll never get it started. So that was problem number one. So once we got that finished, we could easily get the lawnmower started, as you just saw. Sorry about the noise, my wife's mowing in the background. But remember, we had this thing was broken and wasn't holding on at all. And when we pushed this up, pushed the handle up, it was just kind of pulling. It wasn't really doing anything. And what we found out was that this piece was still grounded to the chassis, and therefore, even though we were turning over, we weren't able to start the lawnmower. So once we opened up that gap, we're just fine. So I'm just gonna put a switch in there. Obviously right now I have it tie wrapped. I wouldn't recommend keeping it like that just because it's a safety hazard. I'm gonna put a button in there and I'm gonna kind of rig mine my own way. But really we just need to lubricate this cable and make sure it's operating properly, and then hold down our clip there. I hope these videos help you get your lawnmower started for the season and maybe save a lot of money. I bought this lawnmower for $20 and we were able to fix it with just a few real quick fixes. Good luck. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.